Alright, so the 240 gods helped us out. We cleaned out his gas tank. We took it out last night. Now we just put a fresh tank of gas and some gum out. Let's see how she does. She's good?
I'd say so.
Oh, we're hyped. We're gonna go install my angle kit now. I'll show you guys what you're gonna need. We're an E46 to do the angle kit. It's not too much stuff, but
The clock that was ticking in my home changed my state of mind. When love's so hard to find, your beauty seems like the weather. When a broken rain pour on that night.
alright guys, so now we're gonna install the angle kit. So first off, we got solid bushings in here. I had to make this plate because I ordered E46 ones by accident, not the conversion ones. So tight, but there's nothing to stop it from coming out. So I made 2 sandwich plates and bolted it through. Those are solid. We got the modded control arms, and then we got the modded knuckles. Now I'm gonna start putting this all in. Alright, so now that that's in, I'm gonna grab the jack up the inner ball joint so that in the hard way, but from inside the engine bay you can actually get to it with the long extensions and a swivel. So I'd rather do that than little turns. So I just got this all bolted up. Now I need to got the knuckle and control arm bolted up. Now I need to put on the brake, and then I can put the wheel on, or actually I'll do the tie rod first and then you can put the wheel on. So this is the setup for one side of the car. Steering rack spacers, extended control arm. These are E36, so I extended them 2.5 inches because they're an inch shorter than E46. So these are extended 1.5 inches past E46. And then we got 1 inch chopped out of the knuckle. The bushing, because E46s are in octagon and these are round, and they're also solid. So when you're doing ball joints, you want to jack up under the ball joint right here so that it pushes it up into it, because it's cone shaped, and as you push it up then you can tighten it. We got everything in except the tie rod. So now we centered the steering wheel.
We just got the tie rod back in.
We're gonna put the wheel on and then do some testing. See how it is. Oh my god. It is gonna be too low.
Damn, son. Tilty boys. A little more.
Alright. So this is what we got for angle.
Damn!
That's pretty good.
Other way.
The wheel's not tight, but
We can't do it all the way because the other side's not connected.
that's the angle.
That's crazy.
Pretty good if you ask me.
It looks wicked good too. Put it straight.
A little poke going on. Couldn't be happier. Now, instead of adjusting the suspension like height, I'm just gonna adjust the sag so that there's no sag and it's stiffer, because I want a stiffer front end. I just loosen the stiffness because obviously I want it to go lower. So now I'm gonna do that. This thing should be good to go down, and then, well, we gotta do the other side, but
Yeah.
alright guys, so this side's all done. We put the wheel on to check and straighten it as much as we can, and there's indeed good angle. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw in the driver's side, and then we gotta adjust the coils because it's gonna be too low, because when you camber your car it brings out the strut, so it lowers it. So now we're gonna do that, and then we just gotta do a quick alignment, and this thing should be good. I checked underneath when you're fully locked. Nothing is even close to rubbing. Must be the offset of the wheels, because my other Beamer, when I had the 1552s, I had to hammer stuff out, and so actually it's all back. Now I didn't really show you how to do the rack spacer on the other side, so I'm going to show you on this side. Now Sleepy's going to take the camera. What you're going to do is you grab your tie rod and Sleepy will take over. Now you want the boot to go in so you can get to it, and now you put this right over the threads. So pretty much what it does is it makes it so your rack can move in and out a little bit more, not too much. You get ones that are too thick for your car, do some research. You could strip the threads right out and that'll be no good. So you put that on. You're gonna go under your car and go into the front. Now you just thread it into the rack like that. Pretty simple, not too hard. Sometimes it's a little bit of a pain to thread these in.
Turn though, yeah.
And there it is.
Nice.
These are big, so you're gonna need your adjustable. That should be tight enough. Now, we're just gonna put in the tie rod end.
Yep.
And then adjust it, and then we gotta adjust the coils, and then we'll do an alignment.
Oh yeah, so we figured out on the other side that the coil was...
No, it was right.
It was right?
Yeah.
Okay, never mind.
So never mind on that.
Tell them what kind of bad chowder we got going on right now.
Too much, too low. Not too good enough.
Bad chowder right here. You see that? That's rubbing. That's what we call bad chowder.
That's good. That's what you're for.
Now if it starts taking the fender with it, we'll tell you to stop.
I keep going to look at him, Phil. It's just rubbing. Just keep.
Oh my god. That is like... They want bags or what?
I like how low it is, though. It looks sick.
It looks so nasty, but you cannot keep it like that.
Backwards that well.
We're ready to go pretty much. Got the convoy here, and Sleepy just hanging his exhaust real quick, and then we're gonna head to the gas station about it.
Alright, so angle kit's in. It works nice. I had to raise this side and hammer the inside of the fender a little because it was never rolled, but altogether we're dialed. I tried some skids and it feels perfect.
Another 240.
Alright, so we're here at Little Man's first event with the Z. First run.
Give us some tests. We gotta get some tunes on first.
This is not test and tune day, they said, so.
Yeah, it is.
Birds are chirping. He gave up on that quick. Oh!
I got stuck at full lock.
I got my cake from Osama bin Laden, little nigga, he signed this shit. I'm 4L gang, if you reach for my...
I can't get my engine. Oh shit.